Okay, well, here is the little fruiting chamber that my son and I built. There's a little fogger there. It's doing pretty good. It's not too much maintenance. I can see now these are oysters. These are blues, but it's getting a little warm for them. I know that this is a day past when they should have been harvested. Got busy yesterday, couldn't do it. But I find that taking these in today, putting them up, canning, drying, whatever I decide to do with them, is going to be just fine. Because, you know, when you're selling them, you want them to be more in a fresh condition, I guess you would say. But these are just absolutely fine. I got a good harvest from them. I think this is going to be all of my oysters for a little while because I'm kind of overwhelmed with garden work, mushroom work, and I'm going to start anew. I'd like to find some really nice, I don't know, pink liquid culture, I guess. As you can see on these, they're a little long. Obviously they could use a little bit more fresh air exchange, but like I say, I'm busy, so I won't put that system in till later. So this is good for now. So have a blessed mushroom day. Bye.